Loud masters? Let's see if changing the cam follower will take care of this problem.
I think that's so.
Alright YouTube, this is my first attempt at seeing why my masters sound like that was almost a disaster. Chainsaws from the movie The Chainsaw Massacre. And let me tell you, every pair of masters I've owned always get loud. So I'm taking the blade off, the comb blade, now I got the cutter blade. I'm gonna pop off the cam follower, which actually pops off with a little bit of effort. Backstory on me is I used to test the masters before they came out. I had them for about a year before they were actually released. Obviously they were not gold, the original masters. I had two versions of them, but they always ended up getting loud, and these got loud too. But I noticed they came with a cam follower in the box, so I was like, well, this is here, let's change this, let's see what happens, and let's go with it. And so you got to watch to the end of the video, see if it made any difference. But this was my first attempt at doing this. I've never changed the cam follower, so I'm just making sure it's stuck on there. If you guys have any recommendations or anything like that, definitely leave in the comment section. I'm not a pro at this. This is my first go around at this, so I just basically stuck it back in there. No rhyme or reason to it. And then I put the cutter blade down, I put the comb blade on top, and I screwed it back in. And a magnetic screwdriver will do wonders for you at this point. But all in all, the process is extremely easy. So if indeed this ends up working, which I'm not going to spoil the end of the video, you can, order a piece, cam follower at your local clipper repair shop, or maybe get one from Andis itself. It shouldn't be too much. Mine came with one. This is a quick video, so I'm definitely coming with more videos. Don't worry. I know I BMI after a little bit. I've been dropping a lot of YouTube shorts, so tighten little by little. You don't want your blade to get crooked, and then always check back to adjust. This part I am used to doing. This is actually not a fun experience, so when you do it, it's a little bit frustrating, but it's one of those things when you get it right, you're like, oh yeah, thank God. So that's it on this one. Let's check out how they sound in a second, and then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up if you like the video, and leave a comment if you're a professional cam follower replacer. And I just noticed that these torque screws right here to take off the lid. Anyhow, the lid is a little bit loose. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I appreciate everyone watching these videos. Yeah, change your cam follower to loud. It helps. Peace.